Times are tough, and you need to transport people and equipment in any terrain, any weather, any time of year. Your project demands reliable and durable vehicles with reduced downtime, immediate response for parts and service, high utilization of vehicles, multi-purpose quick change platform, reasonable cost of ownership, and immediately available for purchase, lease, or rental. Here is the solution the global off-road industry has been waiting for. The new and innovative Argo 8x8 XTI is designed for operation in flooded areas, crossing deep mud and marshy terrain. The Argo XTI overcomes obstacles and rocky terrain and travels over deep snow and ice. The Argo XTI is powered by a reliable 31 horsepower liquid-cooled Kohler engine featuring a Bosch electronic fuel injection system with a total load capacity of 1,500 pounds on land and up to 1,000 pounds on water. The amphibious Argo XTI transports crew, equipment, and supplies to remote locations not accessible through traditional vehicles. Load capacity can be increased by 600 pounds using an amphibious trailer. Who will benefit from the innovative tracked Argo 8x8 XTI? Utility companies to support construction and maintenance of power lines, gas pipelines, and remote cellular or radio towers. Oil and gas and mining companies for surveying, exploration, environmental studies, and drilling support. Other sectors such as forestry, emergency services, weed control, insect abatement, and defense. What makes the Argo 8x8 XTI stand out in the extreme terrain vehicle market? Since 1962, ODG has been an innovative manufacturer of gears and transmissions, amphibious extreme terrain vehicles, and rovers for future lunar exploration. ODG introduced the world-famous amphibious Argo in 1967, and since then has sold more than 40,000 vehicles around the globe. Through its ongoing innovation, Argo continues to lead the lightweight off-road vehicle market with cutting-edge technology and solutions. The low center of gravity and full-time 8-wheel drive provide sure-footed traction and maneuverability through demanding weather and terrain conditions. The Argo XTI is equipped with a standard emergency parking brake and comes with a robust skid plate for lower body protection. When required, the XTI can be equipped with an optional rollover protection structure, ROPS, with integral driver and passenger seatbelts and optional windshield. The ROPS is certified to ISO 5700. The ROPS design enables the vehicle to be used as a 2-person plus cargo configuration. Adding the optional modular rear ROPS and rear bench seat allows for the transport of 4 passengers. Important, seatbelts must be worn by all occupants if a ROPS is installed. The Argo XTI is designed for maximum operator safety due to its inherent stability, combining a low center of gravity and wide tracks. Its lightweight design allows for safe operation in challenging terrain, while providing 9 inches of ground clearance at the center of the vehicle. The Argo XTI is designed for extreme terrain performance, and the specified load capacity is maintained in off-road applications, while the load capacity of UTV and other vehicles must be reduced by up to 50% to allow for safe operation in extreme terrain. The Argo XTI is 5 inches wider than the Argo 8x8 750 HDI, increasing overall stability. The Argo XTI features a premium foam-padded hinged front bench seat with easy access to deep storage compartment, toolbox, and battery. 2 12-volt outlets, cup holders, grab handles, dual glove box, and a 40-amp alternator. The Argo XTI features a technologically advanced direct drive triple differential Admiral steering transmission, feeding even torque to all 8 of the big 25-inch Argo tires. Operating in high range, this superior extreme terrain vehicle steers smoothly through challenging terrain. In low range, the Argo XTI can turn within its own length with minimal effort, allowing for extremely tight turns. The Argo XTI is designed with excellent approach and departure angles to easily overcome obstacles. With an industry first, the Argo XTI features multi-position handlebar steering, allowing the user to choose their driving position. Changing the drive position is quickly accomplished by releasing the steer lock mechanism and moving the steering column to a comfortable position for the operator. The instrumentation package is visible from any driving position and includes fuel level, speedometer, tachometer, coolant temperature, voltmeter, digital hour meter, and odometer. Warning lights include check engine, park brake on indicator, oil pressure. The instrument panel also includes the high and low shift lever and ignition switch. Light and accessory switches are easily added via pre-located positions within the panel. 3-inch tubular main chassis capable of transporting up to 1,500 pounds of total payload. 2-inch tubular upper frame fastened directly to the main chassis. The upper frame is a structural component of the vehicle, allowing for easy accessory mounting, as well as providing strength, rigidity, and mounting points for securing the lower body. The lower body is vacuum formed from high molecular weight polyethylene, featuring superior wear and impact resistance versus fiberglass or steel, even to temperatures as low as -40 Celsius, and it won't rust. Engine parts and transmissions are protected from rocks and stumps, considerably reducing damage and overall cost of ownership. 8 25-inch low-pressure tires provide a light footprint on sensitive terrain, resulting in very low environmental impact with or without tracks. A ground pressure as low as 2.8 psi or less can be achieved by adjusting tire pressure to terrain conditions. If a lower ground pressure is needed, the Argo XTI can be equipped with a 15-inch 4-track or 18-inch 2-track option, providing ground pressure as low as 1.06 psi with full payload. In comparison to UTV and tracked vehicles, Argo vehicles feature the lowest ground pressure in the off-road industry. The Argo XTI meets all EPA and CARB whole vehicle emission and evaporative standards and regulations. In addition, a fully sealed lower body not only keeps water and dirt out, it also keeps fluids in the machine. Lubrication, oil, hydraulic fluid, antifreeze will all remain in the vehicle in case of a leak, and will not pollute the environment until properly disposed. With its sealed lower body, the Argo XTI is designed to float on bodies of water and flooded areas, providing excellent buoyancy and transport for up to 4 passengers. Total capacity of 1,000 pounds. If the Argo XTI is equipped with a ROPS, seatbelts must be unfastened before entering water. The specially designed Argo tires propel the XTI at a speed of 3 miles per hour. Like other Argo vehicles, the Argo XTI features an adaptable rear platform for the mounting of specialized equipment, such as quick change dump or cargo boxes, spraying equipment, drills, cranes, or fire and rescue solutions. The Kohler engine comes with a limited 3-year engine warranty. The patent-pending Admiral triple differential transmission reduces driveline stress, resulting in a low-maintenance off-road machine currently not available on the market at this price level. Optional chain lube system automatically lubricates all drive chains via pressurized pump and distribution block. Chains are lubricated once every 15 minutes for a 5-second period. The 1-quart reservoir holds enough lubricant to keep the chains oiled for 40 hours of operation. 8 1.5-inch, 38mm diameter axles are contained in aluminum housings. Each axle is supported by 2 tapered roller bearings and sealed at each end. Lubrication is accomplished via oil bath within the axle housing. HS60HT Heavy Series final drive chain is used to connect all 8 axles to the output shafts of the Admiral transmission. Fully floating automatic chain adjusters allow the drive chain to freely float up and down based on chain tension. These long-lasting and reversible nylon slider blocks support the top and bottom of each chain. Easy access to engine compartment and instrumentation, as well as improved serviceability for all critical components. Screen and other components can easily be removed to facilitate maintenance. Large engine compartment, allowing for quick and easy pre-trip checks of oil and fluid levels. The Argo 8x8 XTI can be equipped with a variety of accessories, including cab heater, rear bench seat, suspension seat, chain lubrication system, flatbed platform, gas can carrier, helicopter lift assembly, rear receiver winch mount, snowplow, taillight, tire carrier, trailer, winch, bilge pump, brush guard, catwalk mud flaps, 2-person ROPS, 4-person ROPS, 2-person hardtop, 4-person hardtop, 2-person canvas sides, 4-person canvas sides, windshield, windshield wiper, light bar, 18-inch rubber tracks, 15-inch rubber tracks, 18-inch heavy-duty rubber tracks, 2 pieces, 18-inch heavy-duty rubber tracks, 4 pieces. The Argo XTI's all-season capabilities, in combination with a multi-purpose rear cargo platform, optimize utilization, resulting in fast, year-round payback on investment. Proper operation and adhering to a scheduled maintenance program will ensure maximum uptime and continued service for years to come.